You hear me? For real, man. Y'all steady kicking shout out to motherfuckers that ain't even trying to show y'all love on y'all channel, man. Say, you hear me? For real. Hey, ain't no hurt loss. Cause they look like what you doing. It ain't nothing. So shit, just brush their ass off, y'all. You hear me? Brush them haters off, man. For real. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Stop showing love to these people channel when they ain't showing y'all love back, man. For real. They some bandwagons, bro. You hear me? For real. Cause y'all already know cook on the Dallas, Texas, go come on, man. Say it's still the same person. It's me. Bars. It's a title. That's just a title. We the best. Bars. It's all about being yourself, being your own clout, y'all. You hear me? For real, man. So many people only there for a season or trying to gang a game. Man, I'm not trying to make no game. Man, I'm trying to let everybody know, say, pop y'all shit. You hear me? This shit is easy. That's why I be, man, say I hate to pop out and let everybody know, man. This shit is easy, y'all. You hear me? Yeah, it's too easy. Yes, it is. Cause I could pop on Cook My Little right now, and I bet the bitch gonna go. Why? Cloud chasers. Yeah, they think that 66K was the shit. So that's why I'm gonna keep rocking with these two channels. Appreciate you for the love of guns, man. We the best. Bars. I've been waiting on my brother to pop out, man. It's going down, man. Say, bro, I like that. I like how you played that bad bitch too, bro. What? Say you did that bitch nice, bro. The Draco, bro. That bitch nice, bro. No cap, man. Yeah, man. I see you been doing some shit, boy. Man, say God is good, bro. Keep up the good work, bro. My motivation, keep it up, bro. For real, bro. You doing good on your channel, bro. Stay in your stilo, bro. You already know, man. Keep up the good work, y'all. Much love, man. No cap, bro. For D-Time. Yeah, we the best, man. That is Texas stand up, man. All my bros, y'all already know, man. Top in, man. We ain't playing no games, man. What? Let's go, man. I try to tell y'all, man. Shit. Let y'all light shine. You hear me? That's what it's all about. All these hating ass motherfuckers, they mad. They mad in the motherfucker. They mad. They think this shit is a game. You hear me? Your subscribers is a game. Man, you got me fucked up. I'm grown. You got me fucked up. I'm popping my own shit. Period. I rock with you, but it ain't got shit to do with like you hear me? What the fuck? No. You crazy the motherfucker, man. This channel is it's my shit. The other channel is my shit. That's it. Ain't no gang, ain't with no this. I show love. See, that what fuck them up. You hear me? It's cooking with love, man. I show love, but say if you piss me off, say, ooh wait, everybody gonna know. Hey, everybody gonna know. You hear me? Ain't no punk bitch in me, man. That's what you gonna understand about my channel. You hear me? For anybody else channel, you're not gonna make it. I'm gonna be real with you. Don't fuck with me. I try not to fuck with you. I'm gonna be real. I'm the best. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Really. I ain't gonna play with them. No, I don't. I pop my shit and I wish somebody would say so. I'm grown. You hear me? What y'all parents say when you growing up? But you said what they say. I'm grown. So you come to my channel, tell me with that bullshit. I'm grown. Go to somebody else's channel with that bullshit. I'm grown. I'll fuck with who the fuck I want to. If you don't like the shit, stay the fuck out my shit. I don't care. This shit is worldwide, y'all. You hear me? This is not a game. So if I'm, then I show know the fuck I want to. You mad? Say, tell your ass. I still gonna make this shit pop. Bars. You hear me? I'm me. I'm sorry. I'm not with a game. No, I have a family. I have to go to a game on YouTube. I have a family. I don't have to go to a gang on YouTube to get some attention. Bars. You dig? I don't need the cloud. I just need one. See, y'all need to understand about YouTube. Long as you got one person on there, you gonna get your watch out, y'all. So all this old cloud chasing think you need 30